Hello guys, welcome to ELLIS graphic channel. In this, according to your JT over there, in this tutorial you will learn how to make cinematic intro for YouTube in Kinemaster. So without wasting of our time, let's start. So the first thing to do is to go to our pixel app so that we're able to create the name we want to use for the intro. So now go to your pixel app, click on it. So then so the next thing is to create a size for it. Okay, go to image size. Let's choose this YouTube top name. Okay, so click on it. Okay, so what are you going to do? So the background, make sure that the background shows color black for the background. Okay, so the next thing to write is to write text. Okay, so name, we want to make sure for the cinematic cinematic intro for YouTube in Kinemaster. So I'm gonna make use of the my name here, my YouTube name, ELLIS graphic. So reduce the size, then give it a font. So the font gonna make use of here is me front. Okay, this is it, me front. That is the front we're gonna make use of in this tutorial. So click on it. As you can see, now the next thing to do is to give it a color. So the color has already been made. Okay. So this is it. So then you have to make sure that your spacing, you have to space it. Okay, make sure that you space it so that it will look realistic. So I think okay, good. Now the next thing to do is to centerize it. Okay, good. Now what you're going to do is to save your work. So maybe probably you should reduce the size a little bit. Okay, so now save it. So now the next thing to do is to go to our Kinemaster, which is this. So click on our Kinemaster app. Okay, so please, if it's your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. That shows us you love our video content. Please share and like the video. Okay, so the next thing, what are you going to do here is to create a new project. So let's click on our new project. So always set it at this size. So this size is meant for YouTube size. Okay, so click here. So next, so what are you going to do here? The first thing is to create a background. Okay, so the background, you go to the image, so choose color black for the background. Okay, take note of that. So good. So the next thing to do, the second one, create another background again, separate background. Okay, another one. So good. So now what are you going to do is to go to our layout, the layout, which is this one, layout. So click here, layout. So click on it, media. Okay, so now we're going to go to our download, where it is, where that's the motorcycle runner speeder. So this is it. So click on it. Good. So what I'm going to do here, we have now import. As you can see, this is the motorcycle itself. So you go here, just fix it, make the size. So we want to fix it as screen size. So this flipped screen, so choose the wide one. Okay, so take note of that, mark it, then click on it. So what are you going to do here is to go to the The next thing is to go to blending. Okay, so we have to blend it. Okay, so blend it to screen. Okay, screen, blend it here, screen. Good. So so the next thing here, what are you going to do here? So just click here. Now go to this media again, then and import the name that's the intro name that you just did using your pixel app. So this is it. Let us import it here. Okay, now this is it. Okay, so what are you going to do here? The first thing to do, so you have to centralize everything, you monitor before. So let us make sure that everything, then click here. Okay, so just click there. So what are you going to do is to bring this particular thing here. So the first thing to do is to just remove that one. Okay, so I know that this is the where it ought to be. We have fixed a mark there. Okay, something have been made there. Okay, so let us take note about it. Okay, so the next thing to do here, just make sure that it's well aligned. Okay, good. So what are you going to do is to go to your media and import the text, the name you want to use. I just created on your pixel app, so bring it in and import it. Okay, so the next thing to do here, okay, so don't forget, go to media again and import another background, which I just told you. You have to import extra background. So what are you going to do here now? This is it now. Let's check it. So we are going to fix which is keyframe. Okay, so let us import a keyframe here. But how are you going to import a keyframe that is already created by the Kinemaster, the authority? Okay, the author. So what are you going to do here is to click here, this plus. Take note of that. Click here. So just click there. Okay, so something is good. So let me explain something here. So we want to use transition effects. So now let us go to the spots, the stock. So go here, let's click on the Kinemaster access stock. So don't forget, you click here, action. So this is where you're gonna get that transition effect. So click there, action. Okay, click on action. So let's wait for it. So wait for it. So let me use this opportunity to remember you guys, please, as you are watching, please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Please like the video. So this is the action aspect of it. Okay, so you stroke it down. Okay, so you click here. So this is the two things you're gonna mix up in this tutorial. You're gonna use this and also this. Okay, so now you click here, the speed one. So I've already installed. This is the first one. Okay, this is the first action transition we're gonna mix up. Okay, this is the speed tone. That is the first number one. Now the second one is acceleration. You understand? This is acceleration transition action. So it's already installed. As you can see, it's already installed. So now let's now go back to the main video. So now let us go back now. This is the pause, as I've told you recently, the initial. You understand? This plus icon, just click on it. Now then you arrive at your transition effect. So the first number one you're gonna use here is this one, while this one is the second one. So now click on your speed tone, then click this one, the first one here. So that is one you're gonna use. So click there. That is number one. Okay, now click done. Now the second one here, so the plus icon, so choose acceleration. So you choose this one, the one and down. So that is the one you're gonna use. Okay, click there. So it's done. So as it is now, let us go to the first one. So you choose the speed. So it must not be so speedy. So you reduce the speed of it. Okay, take notes. So now let us check what you have done so far. Okay, as you can see, it's very simple. It's very lovely. So let's check it. So it seems like we have to bring this one down a little bit. Okay. Okay. So just make sure that you align it. That is all. Good. Let's check it. Okay. So just make sure that it's well aligned. And make sure still also be this way. So sorry. The service. Probably it's the service that's really affecting. Okay. So let's check what's gonna happen next. You know? So you have to just make it more wider and very careful as you are doing it. Okay. I think it's now well aligned now. Good. Now, so what are you going to do here next? We're going to put sound effects here. So there must be some sound effects we're going to apply here. So this particular place. So there's some sound effects. So go to your audio. So don't forget. Okay, so let's click on audio. So let me check those one. The music I've already downloaded. So I'll choose one. Okay. So good. So this is it. So now okay. So make sure that you align it well, okay? So now I'm going to trim it. Okay, good. Good. Now this is the let us check it. Good. So now let's check what I've done so far. Please please don't forget, if it's your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Please like the video and comment down below. So what I'm going to do next is to save our work. We are done for today, so then let us save our work now. So okay, now click save. Okay, save. So Please, if this video is more educative to you and it's really inspiring, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So thanks for watching.